GMAT Quantitative Practice Questions PDF updated for 2026. Solve and pass fast. Question 1. The numbers of pizza slices that are sold in Joey's Pizza are only in quantities of 5 and 8 slices per customer. How many slices cannot be bought? Option A, 42. Option B, 33. Option C, 22. Option D, 20. Option E, 38. The correct answer is option C, 22. Check every answer. 42 equals 2x5 plus 8x4. 33 equals 5x5 plus 8. 20 equals 4x5. 38 equals 5x6 plus 8. The only a number which cannot be bought is 22. Question 2. Elizabeth is interested in dividing the rooms in the house among the family. Unfortunately, they do not divide equally. It turns out that in order for the rooms to be divisible, Elizabeth has to build 2 more rooms and kick out one of the family members. Which of the following can describe the number of the initial rooms in the house and the initial number of family members, in the order rooms, family? Option A, 28. Option B, 39. Option C, 15, 6. Option D, 10, 5. Option E, 22, 10. The correct answer is option B, 39. First, we can eliminate answers where the number of rooms can be divided by the number of people, such as answer D. We are looking for an answer that if you subtract 1 from the right and add 2 to the left number will be divisible by the right number. The only answer that fits this description is B, 30 plus 2, /8, equals 4. Question 3. In a haircut competition, the number of blonde girls is 3 times bigger than the number of brown-haired girls, and the number of brown-haired girls is twice the number of red-haired girls. Assuming that there is no other hair color, what is the proportion of the brown-haired girls? Option A, 2/3. Option B, 4/9. Option C, 1/3. Option D, 5/9. Option E, 2/9. The correct answer is option E, 2/9. Pick a number for the red-haired girls. 1. The number of brown-haired girls is twice as much, thus 2. The number of blondes is 3 times as much, thus 6. The total number of girls is 9 and the brown ones are 2 out of 9. Question 4. In store there are 10 pairs of pants for every 40 store B has. The price ratio between the pants in store B and the pants in store A is 3:4. If all the pants were sold in both places until the stock ran out, what is the ratio between the total amount stores A earned to the total amount store B earned? Option A, 3:16. Option B, 2:3. Option C, 1:3. Option D, 3:4. Option E, 2:5. The correct answer is option C, 1:3. Plug in numbers. Pants in store A cost $3 and in store B $4. In store A they sold 10 pairs so they earned $40, in store B they earned 40x3, $120. The ratio between the money earned is 1:3. Question 5. Chris has 100 gold bars and 60 bronze bars. After replacing 10 gold bars with bronze bars, he had an equal amount of gold and bronze bars. The price ratio between a gold and a bronze bar is? Option A, 2:3. Option B, 1:2. Option C, 1:3. Option D, 3:4. Option E, 2:5. The correct answer is option C, 1:3. After replacing 10 gold bars into bronze ones he had 90 of each, thus 10 gold bars are worth 30 bronze ones, and this is their price ratio. Question 6. Car A travels at 3 times the average speed of car B. Car A started to travel at 12 o'clock. Car B started to travel at 1600 hours o'clock. What is the speed of car B, in km/h, if the total distance that both cars traveled until 1800 hours was 1000 kilometers? Option A, 10. Option B, 25. Option C, 30. Option D, 38. Option E, 50. The correct answer is option E, 50. The speed of car B is x, the speed of car A is 3x. Car A traveled 3x 6 hours equals 18x kilometer. Car B traveled x 2 hours equals 2x kilometer. 1000 equals 20x, x equals 50 kilometers per hour. Question 7. Liz drove from point A to point B at 40 kilometers per hour. On her way back she drove at 50 kilometers per hour and therefore her way back lasted 1 hour less. What is the distance, in km, between A and B? Option A, 150. Option B, 200. Option C, 600. Option D, 450. Option E, 500. The correct answer is option B, 200. The length of the road from A to B is 40xx, where x is the time. The road back is 50, x1. The road is the same length, so 40x equals 50, x1, x equals 5 hours. The distance is 200 kilometers. Question 8. The average speed of a zebra is 4 times faster than that of a horse. The zebra started to run at 5 o'clock and the horse started 2 hours later. What is the zebra's speed if the total distance that the two animals traveled until 10 o'clock is 46 kilometers? Option A, 11.5. Option B, 12. Option C, 16. Option D, 8. Option E, 6.5. The correct answer is option D, 8. Let x be the horse's speed. The following equation came from the data. For xx5 plus xx3 equals 46, x equals 2 km per hour. The zebra's speed is 8 km per hour. Question 9. Two dung beetles start to run simultaneously towards each other when they're 150 feet apart. The first beetle runs at a speed of 20 feet per minute and the second beetle runs at a speed of 10 feet per minute. At the moment they start running towards each other, a fly leaves the first beetle and flies towards the second one at a speed of 70 feet per minute. When he gets there, he turns around and starts to fly towards the first beetle, and so on. What is the total distance in feet that the fly will travel until the beetles meet? Option A, 250. Option B, 200. Option C, 300. Option D, 350. Option E, 400. The correct answer is option D, 350. The distance between the two beetles is 150 feet. They are running together at a speed of 10 plus 20, 30 feet per minute, therefore it will take them 5 minutes to meet. The fly flies at a speed of 70 feet per minute, so he travels a total distance of 5x 70 equals 350 feet. Question 10. In a jar there are balls in different colors, blue, red, green and yellow. The probability of drawing a blue ball is 1/8. The probability of drawing a red ball is 1/5. The probability of drawing a green ball is 1/10. If a jar cannot contain more than 50 balls, how many yellow balls are in the jar? Option A, 23. Option B, 20. Option C, 24. Option D, 17. Option E, 25. The correct answer is option A, 23. If 1/8 is the probability of drawing a blue ball, then there are 48 equals 5 blue balls in the jar. And with the same principle there are 8 red balls and 4 green ones. 45/8 equals 23 balls, yellow is the only color left. Question 11. A barman's train rails across an open track at 250 km per hour. A regular passenger train travels at 68% of the barman's train speed. If the two trains start moving from the same station at the same time, how much time longer will it take the passenger train than the barman's to travel 850 km? Option A, 2 hours and 24 minutes. Option B, 1 hour and 24 minutes. Option C, 2 hours and 36 minutes. Option D, 1 hour and 36 minutes. Option E, 5 hours. The correct answer is option D, 1 hour and 36 minutes. Let's find the time it takes each train to travel 850 kilometers. The fast train, 850/250 equals 3.4 hours. The slow train, 0.68x 250 equals 170 kilometers per hour. So the time is 850/170 equals 5 hours. The difference between the travel times is 1.6 hours or 1 hour and 36 minutes. Question 12. A hawk can glide for 4 consecutive hours without resting using thermals only. An eagle can glide 14.5% longer without resting using the same thermals. If an eagle makes 3 stops during a certain glide, each stop after gliding its maximum possible time, how many hours long was the glide not including the resting time? Option A, 18.32. Option B, 13.74. Option C, 15.66. Option D, 9.16. Option E, 16. The correct answer is option A, 18.32. 14.5% of 4 are 0.58. Thus, an eagle can fly for 4.58 consecutive hours without resting. Since the eagle rested 3 times, he could glide 4 periods. 4x 4.58 hours equals 18.32 hours. Question 13. If x equals y plus 3 plus 4.5x and y equals x plus 18, what is the value of x/y? Option A, 1/4. Option B, 5/6. Option C, minus 6/5. Option D, minus 7/20. Option E, 1.5. The correct answer is option D, minus 7/20. Solve 2 equations with 2 variables. Put y in the first equation. We'll get x equals x plus 18, plus 3 plus 4.5x, the value of x is minus 14 thirds and y equals 40 thirds, x/y equals minus 7/20ths. Question 14. If x2 equals y and y equals 4.5x plus 2.5, which of the following could be the value of y? Option A 25, option B minus 0.5, option C 5, option D 10, option E 15.5. The correct answer is option A, 25. Y equals 4.5x plus 2.5, x equals 5 or minus 0.5. Y can be 25, 4.5 asterisk 5 plus 2.5.